Hi mga ate ko! So for today's video, i-share ko nga sa inyo ang kaganapan sa Lux event. Yes, mga ate ko, na-invite po tayo. At sobrang nakakakilig kasi si Miss A pa talaga yung mismong nag-message. Kita nyo naman at may pa-food pa yan siya dyan. Huy! From Cavite mga ate ko, umalis na kami ng around 5 a.m. Kasi nga ayaw namin maipit sa traffic. This is my first time to do Pilates mga ate ko. And grabe, ang fresh ng venue. By the way, this is owned pala by Ella Cruz and yung partner niya. And sobrang nakakakilig kasi tingnan nyo, para sa aming lahat yan. Apakadami naman. We had a short introduction and ayan si She and of course my friendie si Abby. And of course, ang pinakamaganda sa lahat, oy, hindi ganon. It's me.
Hello mga ate ko.
I am really happy to get a chance to share talaga yung experience ko with Lux and how grateful I am.
Miss A, isipin mo yun? Ano man at what?
And grabe si Miss A in person. Like, hindi ka talagang mahihiya na i-show yung true self mo. After the short introduction, mga ate ko, eto na. Grabe. This is one of the best experience talaga in my life na hindi ko makakalimutan. Of course, kompleto ang trio.
Very good. Move with control. Keep your squeeze your glutes, engage your core. Inhale there, and then exhale slowly. Build the level of your hips. Hanggang dito, lower your 5. Exhale, curl your biceps. And return. That one. Up. And down.
Until now, my heart is so full. I am super thankful talaga to be invited and to be part of this event. Isipin mo yun, mga ate ko. Gumanda at naging fresh ka na. May paganito pa. After our session, eto na nga, mga ate ko. I did not expect na meron talaga silang pa-recognition.
From us for participating this event.
Unang natawag sa amin si Yenny, and then, of course, si She, and then, of course, syempre, pinakamaganda. Hoy, hindi talaga namin to in-expect, mga ate ko. Like, hindi kami prepared. And of course, ang nag-engganyo sa amin mag-affiliate, si Abigail. After the short program, ayan mga ate ko, nagbida-bida na naman siya. So, tinry ko to, and so far, kaya ko naman pala siya. Basta, focus ka lang talaga. Kaya mo yan. Hoy!
Yes. Chin up na.
We had so much fun. Thank you so much, Miss A and the team. Thanks guys for watching. Bye!